Welcome to my chemistry channel, Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I will continue brief session of 11th class organic chemistry that is based on CBSE syllabus. Under the basic concept part 1 homologous series already explained my previous video, and part 2 nomenclature having branch chain alkane having functional group also already explained in my previous video. Now I will explain in this video that is substituted benzene and part 3 isomerism. Let us start nomenclature substituted benzene. Substituted benzene means in benzene some substance should be attached. First is monosubstance means one substance is present in benzene group. Then here prefix to the word benzene, one substance which is present, the name should be prefixed to the benzene. Let us see, here it is benzene whose molecular formula C6H6, and here the structure is like this having alternative double bond, and here one methyl group is attached. So the name is methyl benzene because I told prefix to the word benzene, methyl word prefix to the benzene, and common name is toluene. And next is OCS3, that is called methoxy group. So it is known as methoxybenzene. And here common name is anisole. And here it is NS2, that means common name is aniline, and here it is amino group, so aminobenzene. Substance is known as amino, so it is aminobenzene. So if one substance is present, then it is very easy, you will add the word of the substance to the benzene. Then disubstance. If two substances present, it is called disubstance. Then we will observe they should located at the lowest number. We will observe how can you count, but condition is the numbering is done in clockwise direction. First point you will see clockwise direction. Second point you will see that how we will see the lowest number. The location should be in lowest number. Example, here you can also know that relative position. If relative position 1, 2, if 1 there is a substance, in 2 position there is a substance, that is also called ortho. If 1, 3, if 1, 3 that is called meta. If 1, 4 that is called para. Now let us see one example here. Benzene ring is there and it is 1 position and it is 2 position, so it is known as 1,2-dibromobenzene, because in benzene if you count this one as 1, then 1, 2, so 1,2-dibromobenzene. Let us see if methyl group in position 1 it is 1, 2, 3, 4. If one position methyl group, in 4th position methyl group, then it is known as 1,4-dimethylbenzene. I already told if it is 1,4, then what is para? Then here you can say para-dimethylbenzene. And here you can say ortho-dibromobenzene. So here again see, if monosubstance no problem, simply the word should be given to prefix to benzene. And disubstance, then we will see the lowest location number and it is in clockwise direction. There are 3 types. One is 1, 2, that is ortho, meta 1, 3 and para 1, 4. And here example 1, 2-dibromobenzene, 1, 4-dimethyl, because the methyl groups, there are 2 methyl groups and position 1 and position 4, so that is why it is 1,4-dimethylbenzene. Come to 3 point, aryl group or radical. Aryl group, it can be known or it can be known aryl radical. Then how can you get aryl radical? In aromatic hydrocarbon, if hydrogen atoms is removed, then it is known as aryl radical. Then here see, C6 that is benzene. In benzene, if I remove one hydrogen atom, then it is known as phenyl, that is C6H5. Here one hydrogen removed, then it is known as benzyl. And here it is benzal, where 2 hydrogens are removed. Here 3 hydrogens are removed, so it is known as benzo. Let us see one example. In here Cl is attached to CH2, that is why benzyl chloride, and here 3 chlorine atoms are attached to here, that is known as benzo chloride. Then come to fourth point. Here tri or higher substituents means if 3 substituents or more than 3 if attached to benzene ring, then how can we name it? First we will see principal group fixed number 1. According to priority decreases the least. Here COOH where starts and end with alkyne group. Here we will observe which one act as a principal functional group. That means suppose COOH and OH, 2 groups are there, then priority should be given to COOH, that is carboxylic acid group. Then numbering in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here we will see in clockwise or anti-clockwise. That means what? What is the condition? As lower number substituents. You will check in clockwise whether it comes to lower number substituents or in anti-clockwise whether it comes to lower number substituents. The substituents what are present, we will check it in alphabetic order which will come first. In alphabetic order first we will check it. Second we will check in clockwise, anti-clockwise which acts as lower number substituents, and next is principal group, which one is the principal group, that should be fixed as 1. Now example you can observe. Here in one position COH because the priority should come first to COOH group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose we will count in anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not the lower number substituents. That is why the nomenclature is like this: 2 bromo, 5 hydroxy, 3 nitrobenzoic acid. And you can observe here it comes also according to alphabetic order BHN. B bromo, hydroxy, H, N nitro. This is also in alphabetic order. This also follow that clockwise, anti-clockwise direction has lower number substituents, and this acts as a principal group. Come to second example where we can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the best one 1, 2. That means 1 chloro, 2, 4. 2 into nitro group present. In 4 also nitro group present. So it is 1 chloro, 2, 4 dinitrobenzene. Then come to third example. In third example, OH is the principal group. That is why it is known as 1 position. CH3 2 position and 3 is nothing is there, and in 4 position that is ethyl group. So what is the name? 4 ethyl 2 methyl phenol, because ethyl comes first before methyl. So 4 ethyl 2 methyl phenol. And fourth example, here OMe group is there, that is called methoxy group. So what happened here? 1 position that is OMe and 2 position chlorine and 3 is nothing there, and 4th position that is CH3. Now if OMe attached to benzene, it is known as anisole. So what happens here? 2 chloro, 4 methyl anisole. That means in 2 position chloro, 4 position methyl. It also follow the rule of alphabetic order. Chlorine C comes first, methyl M next. So the name is 2 chloro 4 methyl anisole. Now come to fifth point, that is benzene attached to alkane or also any with functional group, then how can we name it? Now the benzene never acts as benzene, but it will act as phenyl group. That means act as substituent. Phenyl is one substituent. Let us see one example. Here benzene ring is attached to CH to CH3. That means the root alkane, that is ethane. That is why the name is phenyl ethane. Here also 1, 2, 3, that means this is alcohol group propanol, and 1, 2, 3 in 3 position phenyl group is attached. That is why it is known as 3-phenyl propanol. And here you can say here 1, 2, after 2 there is a triple bond, this side also after 2 there is a triple bond, but question is here one phenyl group is attached this side, that is why this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means but, and since it contains triple bond, that is why and position is 2, that is why after 2 carbon there is a triple bond, that is why it is called 2-wine, and the structure is but 2-wine, and phenyl group is attached in one position, that is why 1 phenyl but 2-wine. Next example where the functional group is acid group COOH, that is why we will count from this side 1, 2, 3. That means it is propanoic acid. The main group acid is propanoic acid. In propanoic acid, after 2 there is a double bond, and in 3 position there is a phenyl group. So what is the name? 3 phenyl prop means 3 carbon, 2 position in and 1 position acid, so 2 in oic acid. That means 3 phenyl prop, 2 in oic acid. Here also you can write 1 oic acid, or simply if you will write oic acid, that it indicates the position is 1. Then come to next example here, it is a simple one, it is a bromo compound, and now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this side is nearer to side chain, here bromine group is nearer to this side chain, and another substance also present, that is phenyl group. That is why we named it 2, 3. Why 2, 3? Because there are bromine in 2 position and 3 position. That is why 2, 3 dibromo, and in 1 position that phenyl group, so 1 phenyl pentane. The root alkane is pentane. In pentane 2 and 3 position, that is dibromo, in 1 position, that is phenyl group. So the name is like this 2, 3 dibromo 1 phenyl pentane. Other examples you can see here, if the CaCl2 is attached, if CaCl2 attached, that is in benzene, now it is known as phenyl, because phenyl group it never named as benzene, it is phenyl. So phenyl dichloro, what is the main root of root alkane? That is methane. That is why it is dichloromethane. Then here phenyl dichloromethane. Then come to, if simply nitro group is attached, there is nitrobenzene. If it is 1 position CH3 and 4th position CH3, we can name it 1, 4, and how many methyl group? 2, that is why dimethylbenzene. Then here 1 position, it is also called paraxylene, because 1/4 position is also known as para, and the name, that is common name, paraxylene. Then come to here CH3OH, means 1 position CH3 and 2nd position OH, so it is 2-methylphenol, because OH is the principal functional group, so 2-methylphenol. That means here other common name is known as orthocrystal. Orthocrystal, this is the structure. If the 2 phenyl group are attached to a oxygen if attached to any alkyl group, any phenyl group, that acts as a ether, that is why its common name is diphenyl ether, and IUPAC name, this part is known as phenoxy and this part is known as phenone. So this is known as phenoxyphenone. And here 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Why? Because when you compare OH and COOH, the main functional group, main priority should be given to COOH. That is why this is 1, 2. So this is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. And next, last one, here simply bromine group is attached to benzene, that is why it is known as simply bromobenzene. Again see this example, if CaCl2 attached, the main root alkane is methane. In methane 2 chlorine is replaced by hydrogen, 2 hydrogen replaced by chlorine, and here phenyl group is there, that is why phenyl dichloromethane, and it is simply nitrobenzene. It is 1 and 4 position 2 methyl group, so it is 1,4-dimethylbenzene. and here CH3OH, so 2-methyl phenyl, and common name is orthocrystal, and here it is diphenyl ether common name, where oxygen group is attached to 2-phenyl group, and here 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, because COH is the principal functional group, that is why 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, and the last one is bromobenzene.